Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fly High with English. Let's learn daily sentences. प्रवाशांनी ट्रेन थांबण्याची वाट पाहूनच खाली उतरावे. Passengers should wait for the train to stop before they alight. Passengers should wait for the train to stop before they alight. शिक्षकांनी कॉपी करताना पकडल्यानंतर खजील होऊन तो उभा राहिला. He stood abashed when teacher caught him copying. He stood abashed when teacher caught him copying. सरकारने प्रदूषण कमी होण्यासाठी उपाययोजना केल्या. The government took measures to abate pollution. The government took measures to abate pollution. त्याने आपली सर्व पुंजी नवीन कारवर खर्च केली. He spent all his savings on a new car. गेल्या वर्षी तिचा ऑनलाईन व्यवसाय वेगाने वाढला. गेल्या वर्षी तिचा ऑनलाईन व्यवसाय वेगाने वाढला. Her online business grew rapidly last year. Her online business grew rapidly last year. आम्ही आमच्या बैठकीच्या खोलीसाठी LED टेलिव्हिजन खरेदी केला. We bought an LED television for our living room. आम्ही आमचे जुने बल्ब बदलून ऊर्जा वाचवणारे LED दिवे लावले. We replaced old bulbs with energy saving LED lights. We replaced old bulbs with energy saving LED lights. आम्ही खोलीत एक सुंदर गालिचा टाकला. We laid a beautiful carpet in the room. We laid a beautiful carpet in the room. पुण्यात राहण्याचा खर्च खूप जास्त आहे. The cost of living in Pune is very high. The cost of living in Pune is very high. रोहन 1 तासापूर्वी ऑफिस मधून निघून गेला. रोहन left the office an hour ago. रोहन left the office an hour ago. उबदार राहण्यासाठी आम्ही शेकोटीभोवती बसलो. We sat around the fire to stay warm. We sat around the fire to stay warm. आपण श्रीमंत दगडूशेठ गणपती मंदिरला पायी जाऊ शकतो. ते खूप जवळ आहे. We can walk to the श्रीमंत दगडूशेठ गणपती मंदिर. It is very close. We can walk to the श्रीमंत दगडूशेठ गणपती मंदिर. It is very close. संगीत सुरू होताच तिने मंत्रमुग्ध होऊन आपले डोळे मिटले. She closed her eyes in rapture as the music began to play. She closed her eyes in rapture as the music began to play. तिचा देवावर विश्वास आहे. She has strong belief in God. She has strong belief in God. पोलिसांनी आपत्कालीन कॉलला त्वरित प्रतिसाद दिला. The police responded swiftly to the emergency call. The police responded swiftly to the emergency call. मुसळधार पाऊस कमी होण्याची कोणतीही चिन्हे दिसत नव्हती. The heavy rain showed no sign of abating. The heavy rain showed no sign of abating. आम्ही नवीन शहरात रस्ता चुकलो. We got lost in the new city. We got lost in the new city. महोत्सवाला अनेक लोक उपस्थित होते. Many people attended the festival. Many people attended the festival. ही चूक आधीच्या चुकीपेक्षा भयानक आहे. This mistake is worse than the previous one. This mistake is worse than the previous one. मला सकाळी उठल्या उठल्या चहा लागतो. I need tea as soon as I wake up in the morning. I need tea as soon as I wake up in the morning. मीटिंगला उशीर झाल्याबद्दल तिने तिच्या आईला दोष दिला. She reproached her mother for being late to the meeting. She reproached her mother for being late to the meeting. मुलांनी आनंदाने आईस्क्रीमच्या गाडीकडे धाव घेतली. Children ran gleefully to the ice cream van. Children ran gleefully to the ice cream van. त्याने घाईने नाश्ता केला आणि कामावर निघून गेला. He ate a hurried breakfast and left for the work. He ate a hurried breakfast and left for the work. एकदा सवय लागली की तशीच लागते. Habits once formed are hard to break. Habits once formed are hard to break. सणासुदीच्या काळात दुकानदाराने तेजीत व्यवसाय केला. The shopkeeper did a brisk business during the festival. The shopkeeper did a brisk business during the festival. हरवलेल्या चाव्या कुठेच सापडल्या नाहीत. द मिसिंग keys were nowhere to be found. The missing keys were nowhere to be found.